Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll introduce 5 ways to convert text to number. First, what's the difference between number stored as text and number? Number stored as text is essentially a text. By default, text is on the left side of a cell, and number is on the right side of a cell, and text is not suitable for calculation. We can see we can only count, but we cannot sum. But number is more suitable for calculation. We can get sum or average. How can we convert text to number? Okay, first is double click. We can double click the cell to convert it to number. But it is not recommended because it only applies to small number of cells. If you have large amount of cells, this way is time consuming. And second way is error checking. We select the cells, we can see an error checking warning. Click here, we can convert to number. It's very intuitive, but it depends on which cell you select first. Let me show you. Ctrl Z. If I select from here, we can see the error checking warning doesn't appear, so you cannot use this way. Okay, let me undo it. Third way is text to column. Select the column on the Data tab. Click Text to Columns. Next, Next, Finish. You can see it's convenient, but it can only adjust one column at a time. Ctrl Z. If you select multiple columns, you get a warning. You cannot do that. And fourth way is use value function. Here we put value. We use value function. We can convert text to number, use value function. Use function does not change the source data. We can get a new column. And last but not least, which I highly recommended, we can use paste special. Here we copy one and select the data, right-click, click Paste Special. Here, paste, we choose values, operation, we choose multiply, hit OK. We can see we convert text to number. What this step does is to multiply each cell by 1. Text multiply number, it's converted to number automatically. For smart people like you, you may get the trick. So you may wonder, why should I multiply 1? Can I do it in another way? Guess what? You're right. You can just copy an empty cell and do the same thing. Right-click, paste special. Here, choose values, operation you can choose, and subtract. Because it's an empty cell and a subtract, both OK. Hit OK. We can see we get the same result. Why? This way is highly recommended because it's much flexible for large amounts of data. Let me show you. Control Z. If I have multiple columns and I don't like that, in this way you can see double click is not suitable, error checking it doesn't appear, and text to column it just works for one column at a time. Value function also not suitable. Here paste special is very useful. We can see right click, paste special. Here we choose values and wow, it's amazing. We got the result we want. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this can help you. Bye.